we're gonna eat together some South Indian food that I ordered from this place that got recommended to me by a lot of people. So that's why I urgently want to order it from there. And I haven't done that in way too long. So now I'm excited for all the food that I ordered. Oh god, how I'm gonna eat that. Okay, let's see what's inside here. This should be Chicken Varuval. I'm gonna unpack it later, so we're gonna see. Then I ordered some stir-fried spinach. Oh god, all the plastic. This has to be the Ghee Dosa. I think this is probably Roti Canai, typical Indian Malaysian food. And some curries to the side, I guess. I also ordered some sambal egg. So egg with like curry, chili, whatever. I have no idea what this is. Let's see. And more curry, I guess, or chili sauce. And I totally forgot what this is. And of course, because there's not enough plastic yet, I ordered also a masala tea. And it's typical Malaysian that they just serve it in some plastic bags and you just shove a straw inside there. So plastic everywhere. I'm gonna put this into plates so you're gonna see properly what I ordered here, and we're gonna eat. Okay, the plastic mess is solved, and now I set up all the food, and I ordered way too much as usual. I don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna start straight away with the veggies. It's just stir-fried spinach with some bean sprouts, as I can see. It smells pretty bland, nothing special to say here. Let's see how it tastes. It just tastes like spinach and bean sprouts with salt. But it's probably gonna be good for balancing all the spices out here. So I'm glad I ordered that. Okay, where I'm gonna start? I think I'm gonna start with the Roti Telur, which is Indian flatbread with egg inside. I'm just gonna grab a piece because in India, of course, you don't usually use any spoons. I don't have any rice, by the way. This is 3 different types of curry. I'm just gonna dip it inside here and try the first one. Spicy. It just tastes like chili. Slightly sour, maybe some lime inside. Pretty good. It doesn't have too much complexity. Maybe some tomato, because of the color you can tell. The roti is also pretty good. Don't have so much egg yet. I have no idea what the middle curry is and what you eat it with. I just eat randomly anything. Let me smell that. Everything is pretty cold by now. It smells like milk and cilantro and butter. I think it has some cinnamon also inside. Oh, that's like cheesy. Look. No idea what that is. It smells pretty good though. Cheese everywhere. It tastes cheesy. With also sourness, or maybe lime or something. Maybe just put the lime in milk so it got a little bit cheesy. What else is inside here? Cumin maybe? Pretty nice. It's also pretty spicy though, like everything except the spinach yet. Okay. I just want to eat. Okay, next up is gonna be the biggest curry, and I think I found out that it's lentil curry. It's pretty liquid though. This one is not really spicy, so good for taking the spice off the other stuff. Very good. I'm excited to try the egg sambal now. It smells like sugar, like caramel. Very sweet tomato sambal. I think sambal basically means sauce in Indonesian and Malay. It's a gorgeous egg, which I can't really eat, so I'm just gonna bite off a piece of the egg. Very hard boiled. Very good, spicy. No, not that spicy. I think these two are the most spicy yet. Let me try the Roti Canai without the egg, because right now I'm just shoving down the Roti Telur with the egg. Now, same thing but without egg, I think. Indian flatbread. Let me try that. Also pretty good. Buttery. And not to forget the Chicken Varuval. Smells strongly like cumin. I can also see some lime leaves probably. Garam masala definitely. It's just like a stir-fried chicken. Has also chili for sure. You can see it by the rich color. Typical garam masala, cumin, a little bit too cooked, overcooked. Spicy, of course. That's what I expect when I go to India. And let me try finally the Ghee Dosa, which is just like a huge pancake that I just wrapped. And again, I have no idea what to dip it in. I'm just gonna try anything. I think it's made from rice flour. Fluffy. You can definitely taste the rice and the butter, because ghee just means clarified butter. Interesting taste. I think I've never tasted something like this before. Good though. Okay, let's finish my meal off with some masala chai. Let's try it. A lot of spices. The cardamom, definitely. It's typical masala tea. I don't even know what's inside. Cinnamon, of course. It's perfect after you eat something spicy. It's just perfect to drink that. I realize why they always drink that. I usually don't like tea with milk, but this is heaven. I'm happy.